Hello and welcome to free.net tutorials. This is Emmanuel Mendu. In this video we will discuss our last parameter, like params type parameters. I already discussed these three parameters in our previous videos. You can see in my video blog. So before getting to the example of params parameter, let's see what is params parameter. Microsoft newly introduced params parameter in the .NET technologies. The params type parameter is an array type. We can send any number of actual parameters. Just keep in mind what is actual. I already explained what is actual parameters. The actual parameter we are sending from our called function, and we can send any number of actual parameters values to the params type parameter. One function can have only one params parameter. This is the main thing you need to keep in your mind. So let's go and create our new project for our example, and Windows form application, and go to a form one and drag your a button control. Just click on your button control, so you see a button one, click here, event here. Let's create, before clicking button we need to create a method or a function. So let's create in a class like emp. What I will do is I just use salary, bonus, and extra thing. I will send from actual parameters to the calling function, that is our params array. Let's create a public void total salary like params int braces for array. I'm using this sal is an array, and I'll send from our button click some values like salary, bonus, and double bonus. Okay, what I'll do is I just calculate this here. Like before that, what I'll do is int total salary equal to 0. So here ts equal to ts plus sal of something. So we need to create here a loop, right? So let's create a loop. Oops. So I will take a for loop here, int I equal to 0, I less than sal array dot length, plus I plus plus. Okay, so here I, after completing this loop, I need to display the output. The message box dot show ts dot okay. So I'm done with our calling method. Now we'll call a method from this our button click event. Like we need to create an object here. Like let's create e1 dot equal to new emp. Here we'll give like int salary equal to like 4000, and bonus some extra 300, double bonus we'll give like 100. Okay, let's call our function using sal and send it like s comma p comma db. See, I'm sending one or more values from our calling function, like calling method. These are called actual parameters. We can send any number of actual parameters. It takes in an array here, and it automatically, this loop will takes like from 0 to the end of the loop and counts the total salary and displays you. Let's go and run our program. So if I click our debug thing, if I click on button, you see our 4,300 our salary, total salary. Got it? What it's doing is this s, it takes in the 0th location, and it automatically takes b as our first location and g as second location. Okay, and it automatically it became an array, and it counts using like a for loop, and that's it. That's all for our params time parameter does. It's a very important thing when you are using a big project. It comes in a loop. So we're done, and thanks for watching. See you in our new concept that will be like we already done our inheritance. We'll see polymorphism in our next videos if possible. See you in the next video. Bye bye.